Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. So I'm proud to present to you today a new caravan that we're taking into our used stock in an Alaria TS 2019. This caravan was bought from us and dispatched in February of 2020. Unfortunately, the previous owner, due to circumstances, has decided to no longer caravan. They have genuinely only used this caravan once. So in absolutely fantastic condition when it was dispatched, brand new. So a great opportunity to get a fantastically well-spec caravan at a bargain price. So here is a good look at this 8-foot wide, twin axle, top of the range Alaria caravan. So nice, generous sized front locker box. You've got the ATC trailer control system, making for a far safer and secure tow. One of the great features from the previous customer that I'll show you in the front locker box, they have had the gas low system fitted to it that you see here, and 2 full gas low bottles. The caravan coming with 2 Alco secure wheel locks. As we come down the side of the caravan, you've got an exterior barbecue point, a wet locker box located there with 240 volt socket inside, and a further 240 volt socket located there. You've got the beautiful Alaria logo going down the side, and this very unique large window towards the front of the caravan. You've got a side access hatch to underneath the single bed, so a single bed layout in the TS with a generous sized window. One of the other great features that this customer has again left on it is a Power Touch Evolution automatic engage all-wheel drive motor mover. So again, a fantastic opportunity to get a caravan at a great price, ready to go with a motor mover on it. So stepping inside the caravan, the first thing that you see is this fantastic L-shaped front lounge, creating a great area for you to spend either as a couple or as a family, or even entertaining guests. You've got this wonderful little poof, and also a side extension here with cocktail cabinet located above. Generous sized panoramic sunroof at the front with 2 side lockers. But one of the great features in this caravan is this wonderfully large panoramic sunroof, creating a huge amount of space and light in the caravan, creating a fantastic feeling. You've also got the 2-tone locker effect with the chrome finish going into a matte effect above the kitchen area. Benefiting also in the Alaria range from the E&P self-leveling system. So what a great feature to have to step inside the caravan, press a couple of buttons and watch the legs do exactly what it needs to do. The Aldi wet central heating system on the right hand panel there, and the main command centre for the Alaria on the left. Further storage as you step in on the right hand side, and this little feature that you've got here is a little pop-up with further 240 volt sockets and USB points, triple arm TV bracket located there for the television, and a very generous sized tall fridge freezer. Plenty of kitchen work surface with a work surface extension. You have the combination oven and grill with 3 gas hob burners and 1 electric, with the pan storage underneath, and also the Dometic extractor fan. Generous size single beds, again with pull down cabinetry underneath, so plenty of storage underneath. Full set of carpets coming with this caravan. And then you have a wood locker effect coming through into the bedroom area with this concertina pull across blind with magnet to create some privacy in the bedroom should that be a need for you. Television point located in the bedroom area as well, if again you wish to pop a TV in the bedroom. A very generous sized bathroom area. Nice, tall, large, extremely well finished individual shower cubicle. High quality of finish on the sink and the washroom mirror with storage underneath. You've got a cupboard located here with the Alda header tank, hanging rail and storage underneath. And then a further cupboard towards the back of the caravan, which again, a further hanging rail with again plenty of storage underneath. Aldi wet central heated towel rail, and also located further storage above there. This Caravan does also come with a solar panel fitted to the roof, so an 80-watt solar panel. So you could not get a better well-spec Caravan, and what a great opportunity to take this Caravan back into our used stock from a customer that purchased it from us. If you have any queries or questions on this particular Caravan, please feel free to contact us. I hope you've enjoyed the walk round tour, and we hope we can do business together. Thanks very much. Bye-bye now.